Africa Health Medlab Africa 2024 is proudly hosted in Cape Town this year, and it's an honor to have the Provincial Minister of Health and Wellness here today to mark the event. Mireille, give us an idea of what's the importance of having Africa Health in Cape Town this year.
We're absolutely delighted to have the conference in Cape Town for the first time this year. We think the region offers unique opportunities with world-class infrastructure. We have top-class universities, and we also have a very important health tech sector growing here in Cape Town and the Western Cape. So it makes sense to have such an important event hosted here in Cape Town.
You got the mountain and the beautiful fresh air, everything to make health and wellness just that much more appealing.
And that too, yes.
So how is government building conducive policies and creating an effective regulatory environment to promote investor confidence for the Western Cape?
Right, well, we've recently launched our Growth for Jobs strategy, or called G4J, because we love acronyms in government.
Sure.
And it has several pillars which are all aimed at increasing the economic growth rate to achieve breakout economic growth, and a big part of that is investor confidence. So we're making sure that we have the basics right, big focus on energy sustainability and resilience, water, skills development, infrastructure, and so on. So we're really doing everything we can with the levers that we hold as government to make sure that the Western Cape is a leading region for business and business growth.
Well, there you have it. Leaders of business, health and growth happening right here at Africa Health Medlab Africa 2024. We'll see you here.